And I want to talk today about a lost sale and some of the things that happened in that lost sale. So we're going to listen to this call right now, and we're going to find out what are some of the things that happened in that lost sale and why that went that direction. So let's do that now.
Good afternoon, Techy. This is George. How may I help you?
Let's just stop right there, right? A lot of mumbling going on. You need to be ready for that call. So when you answer that call, it's a great day at Techy. What information can I get for you? So that's the first thing is mumbling going on. Right? Why is that happening? It's not a good start.
Hi, I wanted to see if you guys could replace
You
the
see how loud and clear that customer is? That's how you need to be too as well.
battery on an iPad Pro 9.7.
Can you give me a second?
Okay, so she asked to get a battery replacement, right? On an iPad Pro 9.7. The first thing that you need to do is go, absolutely, we can fix that. We can fix that. We fix that all the time. You need to hit it with that confidence. You need to get that customer to know that they called the right place. So now he's going on a route of iPad 7. You could tell he's looking for that part. She never asked if you have the part in stock. She never did any of that stuff. She just asked, can you fix it? And the response should be absolutely, to give her back that confidence that she called the right place. Let's keep going. So there's delays.
Okay. Unfortunately, right now I don't have the battery in stock. But I got definitely order it, and it will be here.
So he said, I don't have that battery in stock. We just talked about it. She never asked that question. Why are we giving that information up?
Right. By tomorrow.
Okay, and
I'll
how?
have that part tomorrow. She called at 2:30. It looked like, right? 2:43. We can get any shipment same day from our vendors before 3:00. Why are we saying it's going to happen tomorrow? So that's another thing that you have to pick up on. What are your vendors' shipments? What are your local stores in your area? Techy has over 200 plus stores. A lot of you could just call a store to make sure you have it. They can transfer it to you. You can have it Ubered, whatever it may be, and doing whatever it takes to get it done the same day. If not, they're going to call another
How
store.
much do you think it'd be for the installation of the battery?
So it is. You told me an iPad Pro. What's your name again?
Sorry, what?
What was that iPad Pro? iPad Pro 10.5.
So look, he's not even paying attention to this customer. I can tell right now, because now he's asking, what kind of iPad Pro is it? Like, she already told you that in the beginning. Pay attention to your customers.
9.7.
9.7.
So now he's looking. You can tell, putting it on hold, kind of, if you will. Just like not engaging. Like, you got to continue to be talking to this customer because you don't know what you can pull out of it while you're doing that, you know? We're already 1 minute and 20 in. Calls should be under 2 minutes. So
Alright, so that will be $89.99.
So he gave her a price.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll get back to you in a little bit about ordering it. I just have to check with someone first.
Alright, sounds great.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Bye. You too.
Bye.
All right, so we listened to the call. This should be a follow-up. This call was done yesterday. They put it as a loss. This should be a follow-up. There should be notes placed right in this note section right here of why it was lost. So then when I'm looking at the conversion rates for the store, I know why we lost it. Did he ever end up following up, or did they just knock it down as a loss? Right? So these things are so important. You have to study your calls at your stores every single day. We do them on a weekly basis, but you should be doing this on a daily basis so you can catch some of the issues that are happening. We lost this sale. That's $90 that we just lost. Do that times 30. Do that times 365. That's over thousands of dollars that you're losing if you're not listening to these calls. Thank you.
Wait.
Go for it. What you got?
So now it's for more information or for how to improve your business, check us out at Techy University.
Okay.
So do that one.
Yeah, so for more information about this, check us out at Techy University. We'll be glad to show it to you.
And then another one, for the full video, check out our YouTube channel.
And for this full video, check out our YouTube channel.
Done.